It is currently, let's see, 9:59, July 16th, and this is the start. Um, Hi, I'm Adam. I'm a futures trader. Uh, I used to trade stocks, and then I decided to move to futures. I used a bunch of different strategies before. I did some momentum strategies. I used like MACD, but I've been using trend lines for the past few months now, and kind of just wanted to document this process. Currently, we just have oil and platinum, and I have gold and silver here as well, and kind of just this is the beginning. It's been a like previously I've been live trading with futures for about 3 months now, 2 months, and it's been really good. Had some good wins, some bad losses. Currently down a little bit in the account, but I've found the strategy has been working really well. Everything I've learned is kind of through back testing and specifically through Tory Trades. So if you ever wanted to see like someone really good at trendline trading, that is a person to watch. Very talented and honestly just very simple way to trade, and she's really good at explaining it. But this is the beginning. Kind of just wanted to take a second and talk about what I'll do here. Basically, I'll document either day to day or every few days I'll update my charts on like a short video, and I'll say what positions I'm in, and I'll talk about my wins, my losses, and just kind of add some transparency. I have Interactive Brokers open right now because I had a trade open earlier today on oil here with this break of this fairly strong upward trend line. Exited here, or shorted here, and closed down here at this support band, and as we see, price bounced up. So a fairly good trade on oil this morning. Not much considering the amount of gains people are making, but I'm just all about consistency. I'd rather have a little bit of consistency every day, make like a few $100s here and there and slowly build the account up than risk it all in one play. And so that's kind of what I'm doing here, is just showing that you don't need too much to start, and all you need is just discipline and commitment, and it's going to be a really interesting journey for me, and I'm just grateful that all of you guys are here to see it. First of all, I guess I'll probably just start with what I mainly trade. The last few months I've been experimenting with a bunch of different symbols, from gold to silver to copper to platinum to oil, and platinum's a little bit hard for me to trade because it is a full contract. It's not a micro, so position sizes are heavier, risk is bigger, and so I'm really waiting for perfect entries. There's a really good entry on platinum right now that I'm waiting for a break. As we see here, really that needs to be updated, but really strong trend line up there, and so it'll be really interesting to see what happens on platinum in the coming weeks. And then oil, copper, and gold and silver. I had some good success with copper. I missed this big move, but that's news. But I bought here, sold here, bought here. Had some really good trades on copper. And so copper's been kind of my go-to recently. I'm waiting for it to be out of this consolidation period because I just don't like entering, since I'm a trendline trader. If I enter when it's in consolidation, it really does not help me at all, because it just price moves sideways, and then this safety line I end up getting out. So mainly recently I'm just looking for great entries and being patient. And there was a really good trade on oil this morning, which I'm happy I took. But gold's been interesting as well. We've had 2 bounces and a few other bounces as well, so we'll have to see. Silver broke all-time highs the other day. Following the break of this trend line, I did enter here and I got stopped out here because my risk was too low. So I did unfortunately miss this big ride, but still, nonetheless, I'm waiting for another bounce off this trend line and then a push upward. So we'll see what happens there. But just wanted to take a second to just say welcome to the journey. It's going to be a long journey, but consistency is key. And I just think that if you keep a good mind, trading is all about discipline, both mentally and physically. And it's just about control of the emotions. And I've seen that recently. I've had some very good entries, and just unfortunately, I've exited too early based on emotions, and I've also exited too late based on emotions. So it's just about finding the sweet spot and following the strategy. So I'm really excited to be here with you all, and I'm excited to see where this journey goes. That's all for me now, but I'll be updating you soon, just with daily progress and just my thoughts on the charts, and kind of just I want to help you all be successful, me included. Like, I'm all about transparency. That's honestly it. I'll never sell a course, never do anything like that. I just want to be 100% honest with my journey trading and just try to help you however I can. Feel free to subscribe and leave a like and add a comments. Anything helps, and honestly, just subscribe if you want to see more from me and follow me along this amazing journey. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.